safe. Ulan o init. Ayaw bro, Enzo, ayaw after. Hindi mo ulan. Sali ka.
One more.
Thank you so much, Plaza Central School. And to all the moms.
Happy Fiesta! Greetings coming from Mayor Jose Merlino. And of course, mga Kilkano yung kanya karoon. With the support to our parents. Salamat din yung lahat.
Thank you, fresh meat and dressed chicken. Thank you sa sponsor sa atong drink. Dried fish and tomato. Thank you so much.
We have Arjun Learning Center. Thank you so much for joining. Salamat kayo. Arjun Learning Center. Then High City Negros Oriental. Dagan kayong salamat, ma'am. And sir. Hi, ma'am, sir. And to Ate Princess. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, Ma'am Stephanie. Good morning, Mama.
Hi, Ann. Good morning, ma'am. Arjun Learning. Thank you so much, Ann. And to
Arjun Learning Center, Shaton. Arjun Learning Center, Simulan.
To Ma'am Fer. Thank you so much, ma'am. Salamat kayo. Ang mga classmates, ma'am, before. Thank you so much. Antonio. Ma'am Manilin, thank you. Thank you so much. Ma'am Lona. Thank you so much to Ma'am Fer.
And of course, we have
Word Pad Campus. Thank you so much. Salamat kayo. To Ma'am, thank you so much, Ma'am Garish.
Good
Salamat.
morning, and the team. And of course,